Finally, start. It gives me immense pleasure to be amidst you today to represent Government of India at the inaugural function of the third Bangladesh Film Festival in Kolkata. It is personally very gratifying for me to be present on this occasion to see such close cooperation between India and Bangladesh, given my personal association with Bangladesh. I welcome the presence of the Honorable Minister of Information of Bangladesh, H.E. Dr. Hassan Mahmood, at this event. His visit to India on this special occasion is a manifestation of the importance he attaches to our relationship. It is indeed encouraging to see the incredible trajectory that our bilateral relationship has traversed over the years, especially the momentum it acquired over the past few years. 2021 is a momentous year for India and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is celebrating the birth centenary of its tallest leader and father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. In fact, as Prime Minister Modi noted in his special remarks at the inaugural ceremony of Mujibur Barso, Bangabandhu is a hero in India as well. Also, Bangladesh is commemorating the 50th anniversary of its historic liberation war, a struggle in which India was honored to contribute to the valiant efforts of Bangladesh. The sacrifice made by the earlier generations resulted in one of the unparalleled episodes in contemporary world history, and the brave nation of Bangladesh was established. This year also marks the 50th year of India Bangladesh diplomatic ties. Our leaders, Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, have agreed to jointly celebrate these epochal events, a great role to build the bilateral relationship and inspire it to where it has come today can be traced back to none other than Bangladesh Jatir Pita Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. During his historic February 16, 1972 speech in Kolkata, Bangabandhu said this victory would not have been ours if the people of West Bengal, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya did not extend their unstinting support to my people. People of India rose to the occasion and they shared their food with my people. This victory would not have been possible if the government of India had not been behind us. What you have done, we can never repay. Quoting Kavi Guru Ravindranath, he continued, my hands are empty. I have nothing to give. The only thing I have is love. I offer you all my love. He finished that great speech with Joy Bharat, Joy Bangla. We share a deep passion for cultural freedom, the practice and pursuit of greater cultural vibrancy and expression in our two great societies is what distinguished us. And I say it with great pride that the deep historical bond between our two nations has been etched in golden letters with the blood of our soldiers. It was protected and preserved by the sheer determination of our peoples. It was the spirit of 1971 that helped free Bangladesh. It was the spirit of 1971 that spread the India Bangladesh relationship, and it is this same spirit of 1971 that we recognize today as the foundation of the relationship for the years to come. Just a few days ago, you would have witnessed the spectacular 26th January Republic Day parade held in New Delhi. What made it truly special were the first 10 rows of the parade led by the 122 member tri service contingent from the Bangladesh Armed Forces, marching to the famous tune of the contingent evoked the inspiring memories of 1971 when the people of India and Bangladesh fought shoulder to shoulder against grave injustice and tyranny, armed with the power of moral conviction. Separately, at the 51st edition of the International Film Festival of India in Goa, Bangladesh was the country of focus, with prominent films from Bangladesh screened at the event. The documentary film on Prime Minister of Bangladesh H.E. Sheikh Hasina, titled A Daughter's Tale, was also screened. I understand that the inspiring film would be screened today later in the evening. I am also pleased to share that shooting of the biopic on Bangbandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman has begun last month in Mumbai. And now this film festival in Kolkata, this is only the beginning, dear friends. This year would see a plethora of events in both our countries as well as in third countries and at the UN headquarters in New York, through which India and Bangladesh will jointly celebrate Mujib Bar Show, celebrate the people of Bangladesh and their tireless struggle for Swadhinta, and the golden anniversary of the India Bangladesh relationship, which PM Modi referred to as Sonali Adhyay. In the matters of the state, cultural cooperation has always played a pivotal role in bringing peoples closer. The true dialogue between and amongst civilizations are always through stories and narratives that people tell the other. In this regard, both India and Bangladesh have been blessed by history, culture, language, and above all, an ardent belief in freedom, justice, and pluralism. Our commonalities are our bridge to a future of peace and prosperity.